Here is the compiled full biography of Pope Francis in 3 languages, English, French, and Kinyarwanda, formatted to read like a powerful narrative script or documentary text. Pope Francis, the Pope from the End of the World, trilingual biography, English, French, Kinyarwanda. English version. Pope Francis, the Pope from the End of the World. Born on December 17th, 1936 in Buenos Aires, Argentina, Jorge Mario Bergoglio was raised in a modest family of Italian immigrants. His father was a railway worker and his mother stayed at home to care for their 5 children. From a young age, Jorge was quiet, intelligent, and deeply reflective. Though he initially pursued a career in science and earned a diploma in chemistry, his life took a spiritual turn in his early 20s after a severe illness led him to reconsider his path. Feeling a profound call to serve God, he entered the seminary and later joined the Society of Jesus, the Jesuits, an order known for its intellectual rigor and deep commitment to social justice. He was ordained a priest in 1969 at the age of 33. As a Jesuit, he lived simply, taught philosophy and theology, and spent much of his time walking alongside the poor and marginalized. In 1992, he became Auxiliary Bishop of Buenos Aires and was named Archbishop in 1998. From the start, his style was radically different. He refused to live in the bishop's palace, chose public transportation over luxury cars, and cooked his own meals. His humility and strong voice against inequality earned him the respect of both the faithful and secular society. In 2001, Pope John Paul II elevated him to the rank of cardinal. Cardinal Bergoglio remained somewhat under the radar on the international stage, but he was widely admired for his pastoral approach and dedication to the poor. So when the conclave gathered in 2013 after Pope Benedict XVI's historic resignation, few expected what would happen next. On March 13, 2013, Jorge Mario Bergoglio was elected Pope, becoming the first Jesuit Pope, the first Pope from the Americas, and the first non-European Pope in over 1,200 years. He chose the name Francis in honor of Saint Francis of Assisi, a symbol of humility, peace, and care for the poor. From the moment he stepped onto the balcony at St. Peter's Square, Pope Francis signaled a new tone for the Church, one of simplicity, compassion, and closeness to the people. He asked the crowd to pray for him before offering his blessing, breaking with long-standing traditions and winning the hearts of millions. As Pope, Francis has focused on building a church that is inclusive, merciful, and deeply engaged with the struggles of today's world. His papacy has included visits to refugee camps, prisons, and war zones. He has spoken boldly about the environment in his landmark encyclical Laudato Si, called for justice for migrants, and opened difficult conversations within the Church on issues like divorce, LGBTQ+ inclusion, and clerical abuse. Though not without critics, especially among conservative factions, Pope Francis continues to guide the Catholic Church with humility and courage, challenging it to be a beacon of love, service, and social responsibility in a broken world. Pape François, le pape venu du bout du monde. Né le 17 décembre 1936 à Buenos Aires en Argentine, Jorge Mario Bergoglio a grandi dans une famille modeste d'immigrés italiens. Son père était cheminot et sa mère au foyer, élevant leurs 5 enfants. Dès l'enfance, Georges se distingue par sa discrétion, sa réflexion profonde et son intelligence. Il étudie la chimie et obtient un diplôme, mais une grave maladie dans sa jeunesse bouleverse son existence et l'oriente vers une vocation spirituelle. Il entre alors au séminaire puis rejoint la compagnie de jésuites, connus pour leur rigueur intellectuelle et leur engagement social. Ordonné prêtre en 1969 à l'âge de 33 ans, il enseigne la philosophie, la théologie et vit avec simplicité proche des pauvres. En 1992, il devient évêque auxiliaire de Buenos Aires, puis archevêque en 1988. Dès ses débuts, son style rompt avec les habitudes. Il refuse les honneurs, prend les transports publics, cuisine lui-même. Sa proximité avec les plus démunis et sa voix contre les injustices lui valent un profond respect. En 2001, le pape Jean-Paul II le crée cardinal. Discret sur la scène internationale, il est pourtant très estimé. À la surprise générale, il est élu pape le 13 mars 2013, après la renonciation inédite de Benoît XVI. Il devient alors le premier jésuite, le premier pape américain et le premier non-européen en plus de 1200 ans. Il choisit le nom François en hommage à Saint François d'Assise, figure d'humilité et d'amour pour les pauvres. Dès sa première apparition, il bouleverse les codes. Il demande aux fidèles de prier pour lui avant de les bénir. Son pontificat est marqué par une volonté de bâtir une église plus simple, miséricordieuse, engagée auprès des exclus. Il voyage dans des camps de réfugiés, des prisons et des zones de guerre. Dans son encyclique Laudato Si, il appelle à protéger la planète. Il plaide pour les migrants, ose aborder des sujets sensibles comme le divorce, les personnes LGBTQ+, ou les abus dans l'Église. Critiqué par certains conservateurs, le pape François poursuit sa mission avec humilité et courage, invitant l'Église à être un signe d'amour et de justice dans un monde en souffrance. Yavut secui tariki a 17 u Cubosa 1936 i Buenos Aires muri Argentine, yitwa Jorge Mario Bergoglio, a kurira mu muriango woroheje wa abimukira babataliani. Se yakoraga murigari ya moshi, nahonina itaga kurugo na bana batanu. Akiri muto, Jorge yari umuhanga uchisha make kandi utekereza cyane. Yize ubugenge ahabwa impamya bumenyi mutekinisie, ariko arwara bikomeye bituma agira impinduka y'imitekerereze no kwiyegurira Imana. Yinjiye mu seminari aza kwinjira mu muriango abayezuite bamenyekanye cyane ku bumenyi n'ubutabera. Yabaye padiri mu 1969 afite imyaka 33. Yigishaga filosofia na teologi, yitangira abakene kandi akagira ubuzima butuje. Mu 1992 yabaye umwepiskopi wungirije aza kuba musenyeri mukuru mu 1998. Yanze gutura mu nzu y'abepiskopi, agenda mu modoka rusange yitegurira amafunguro. Ubuzima bwe bwicisha bugufi n'ubuvugizi ku bakene byamugize icyitegererezo. Papa Yohani Paulo II yamugize karidinari mu 2001. Nubwo atari azwi cyane ku rwego mpuzamahanga, yakundwaga cyane. Mu 2013, nyuma y'ubwegure bwa Papa Benedicto wa VI, Bergoglio yatowe abapapa, aba uwa mbere mu bayezuite, uwa mbere ukomoka muri Amerika, n'uwa mbere utari umunyaburayi mu myaka irenga 200. Yahisemo izina Cisco mu izina rya Mutagatifu Asisi. Ku munsi wa mbere, yasabye abantu kumusabira mbere yo kubaha umugisha. Yatangaje abantu. Papa Francisco yahinduye uburyo kiliziya itwara. Ashaka kiliziya yegera abantu yoroheje ifite impuhwe. Yasuye impunzi, imfungwa, n'ibihugu byahuye n'intambara. Yandisi ita ku bidukikije. Yatangiye ibiganiro ku buzima nkirondaruhu, abariamana bahuje ibitsina, n'ihohoterwa rikorerwa abana. Nubwo hari abamunenga, Papa Francisco akomeje kuyobora kiliziya mu bwitonzi no mu bwiyoroshye. Ahamagarira abemera kuba urumuri n'urukundo rukuri muri iyi si ifite ibikomere byinshi. Ready for audio video production? Whenever you're ready. Would you